Now let us discuss about the problem statement. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, people are advised to maintain personal hygiene. When people go to a public place like malls, theaters, schools, colleges, etc., they are advised to wear a face mask and maintain social distance. If the body temperature is high, they are advised to stay in self-quarantine in their houses. Until now, there is no automated process involved to monitor these things. Only the manpower is used. So our motive is to develop an automated device to monitor the people. Now let us see the gap analysis of current solution. At present, monitoring people is done manually. The security guards need to measure the body temperature using a forehead thermometer or infrared cam in person, and also need to check whether the people are wearing their masks properly. In this case, the security guard is risking his life to monitor the people. A manual checking process consumes more time and manpower, which also leads to tension among the crowd, and there is no proper database maintained to track the people who are coming in and going out of the respective places.
Hi, I am Vishal from Team Innovation Geeks. We have built an all-in-one machine which automatically detects the types of masks. Meanwhile, it detects the body temperature, also disperses the hand sanitizer. So come on, let's see it.
Hey, this is Gajendra from Team Innovation Geeks. Let's see the working model of our project.
So let's see the bodywork of our project. So our bodywork is made up of acrylic sheet which is of 150 cm in height and 60 cm in width. It consists of an LCD display through which the user can see the live stream and see whether the mask is detected or not. And right now we have used an Logitech webcam. In future we are planning to implement a more high resolutionary camera such as CCTV. So this is the whole body structure of our project.
Hello, I'm Hargeshamuthi of Team Innovation Geeks. Let's see the technical aspects of our project.
For our project, we have collected lots of images and we have created a huge data set. Nearly we have collected about 6,000 and above images belong to different kinds of masks. After collection, we have processed, labeled all 6,000 images one by one.
Let's talk about business aspects. Many companies, supermarkets, malls, railway stations, airports and educational institutions uses digital entry gate block, but in though they are also using manpower to monitor the people and check their temperature. So we can automate this process by our project Third Eye, in which we have combined everything in one. You can call it as all-in-one entry gate block. Okay then, who are our targeted customers? In government sector, we have targeted Airport Authority of India, Indian Railways and Transport Corporations. In educational sector, we have targeted schools, colleges, universities and many more. In public sector, we have targeted theaters, malls, departmental stores. Okay, now let's talk about current market demand. You all know COVID second wave is came and it's much more dangerous than the first wave. And in spite of that, vaccination is going on, but still people are get feared about COVID-19. To tackle this problem, today's current market is using watchmen and security guard who sit in front of banks, shopping malls, railway stations, airports and educational institutions. Do you know, by this process, the watchman or the gatekeeper also get affected with COVID while checking the temperature and giving sanitizer to the entry and outgoing persons. Till now, there is no automated process came which can replace the watchman or the security guard to check the temperature of the persons and giving sanitizers. So by seeing this market demand, we are coming up with our product Third Eye. Until now, there is no proper database maintained for the people who all are checking in and checking out. By using our Third Eye project, we can maintain a proper database for the people who all are checking in and going out. Do you know how we can do that? Only the person need to scan the QR code through a mobile app.
I hope you liked our project.
Stay home,
Stay safe.